In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight day of week in TradingView. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, having clear visual indicators on your charts can make a huge difference in your analysis. Highlighting specific days of the week is a great way to identify patterns and trends that repeat over time. And the best part, it's quick and easy to set up using TradingView. If you're not already using TradingView, it's an excellent platform for charting and analysis. And I'll guide you through every step to get this feature up and running. If you don't have a TradingView account yet, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Now, let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the TradingView website. Once the page loads, log in to your TradingView account if you're not already logged in. Logging in is important because it gives you access to your personalized dashboard and all the tools and settings you've saved. If you don't have an account, you can create one quickly, and it's free to get started. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top navigation bar on the TradingView homepage. This is where you'll find all the key menus and options. From here, click on the Products tab. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. Now, depending on your version, you'll either see indicators or indicators and strategies listed there. Go ahead and click on that option. This will bring up the indicators menu. At the top of this menu, you'll find a search bar. Click into the search bar and type in day of week. Using the search bar is a huge time saver because it narrows down the options instantly rather than scrolling through the entire list manually. Once the search results appear, look for the day of week indicator and click on it. Adding this indicator will immediately apply it to your chart, and you'll see each session of the week visually highlighted. Now that the indicator is applied, take a moment to review your chart. You should see clear highlights corresponding to the days of the week. This is a great way to quickly identify how the market behaves on specific days, making it easier to spot recurring patterns. Next, to customize the indicator, locate its name or the small gear icon next to it at the top of your chart. Click on that gear icon to open the Indicators settings panel. Here, you'll find several options to adjust the appearance of the highlights. For example, you can change the colors of the highlights to make them stand out more or blend in with your existing chart theme. You can also adjust the opacity of the highlights, which determines how transparent they appear on your chart. And if you're only interested in certain days, you can select specific ones to highlight while leaving others unmarked. Customizing these settings is key to ensuring the indicator fits seamlessly into your workflow and doesn't overwhelm your chart. Take your time to experiment with the settings until you're happy with the way it looks. If at any point you need to make further adjustments, you can always return to the settings panel by clicking the gear icon again. And if you decide the indicator isn't useful for your current analysis, you can remove it just as easily. Simply go to the indicator's options and choose to delete it from your chart. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully highlighted the days of the week in TradingView and customized them to suit your needs. This small but powerful tool can provide valuable insights and make your trading analysis even more efficient. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.